All right. Another Bizarre Bub one. This one's actually kind of recent, so. Oh, wait, have we seen this? I sort of remember an Elmo balloon. I don't know. I don't know if I've seen this or not. I don't think so. Scary Comp V101, Bizarre Bub.
On February 20th of 2025, a mother records her child's balloon after seeing it do something that terrified her immensely. She films the balloon, hoping that it does it again on camera.
It does it again? What the fuck? Bro, is it just going towards you? Isn't it just called static electricity? Yeah, and then you move and then it'll follow.
For some reason, the balloon
Why are you clogging around like that? Like all stepping weird, like a newborn deer or some shit. What was that? What the fuck? I don't know, man. I just off that alone, like you being dramatic.
to a sudden halt near the basement door. Now you might be wondering what is so frightening about this balloon. After all, it appears to be doing normal balloon things. Well, according to Rachel, the mother, this balloon always ends up at the basement entrance.
Dude, it is doing normal balloon things. And that's called a draft? No? Like a...
And it doesn't go in unless her son follows it inside. Unlike other instances where the balloon just suddenly stops near the entrance, here it goes all the way in. And it's only when Rachel's son begins to pursue it that it—
Bro, because do people not understand how things work and your movement actually creates like wind current?
does this. Now it might be possible that a draft or an airflow is causing the balloon
Oh, it might be possible. It might be.
to move towards the basement, but to have it stop only a few feet away from the cellar, despite being left open occasionally, is a bit strange. Whether it's upstairs or in the furthest
Dude, no, it's not. No, can we get to something interesting? Oh my god. What is that?
Babe.
Just pop it. Just fucking stab it. What are we doing?
Quiet. Quiet.
Bro doesn't know how to silence dogs, man. It's like, what you're making more noise than they are, and it's, I don't know. This whole situation. The lady annoys me, the guy annoys me, the dogs annoy me, the balloon annoys me. Bro, that's gotta be y'all moving it. That's y'all moving the legs. Yeah, watch it angle right towards you.
As if the incidents before weren't creepy enough, this
I think y'all just messing with it. I don't know how you're doing it, but this is silly. I kind of want to just get past this video. I don't want to watch a balloon walk no more, dude.
At the top of the stairs, in the corner of the doorframe, a forehead is seen.
Okay, yeah, this is just a cute little project video.
Rachel initially saw something, yet didn't know what it was, but after taking a closer look, she sees it. A forehead that naturally leads down to a pair of eyes. However, if you slow the video frame by frame, you'll notice the supposed face she'd seen. Yet something about it has left Rachel and her husband immensely unsettled.
I like the drawing. That's fun. Okay, that was just silly, dude. The whole thing was silly. It's an Elmo balloon. It didn't even look like there was no party or nothing going on. Like, that was silly.
Who's a construction worker for a house that's being remodeled. It's been some time now that he's worked on this house, and he's just now realizing something about it that the property owner has never mentioned. In this house lies a hidden crawl space. Apparently, it was hidden behind a stack.
I always hope that I find hidden a bookcase that'll just like turn over, you know, new room, extra square feet
of drywall that no one had bothered moving until now. Seeing that no one else is around, as it wasn't a work day, he explores the crawl space all by himself. But little does he know.
You just there? It's not a work day. You're just in the project. Like, I don't like that. That doesn't even add up. That doesn't make sense.
Know that this was a bad idea. The following is Elijah's video.
Nah, he's at work with multiple people.
Watch.
But while I came across something that was really cool, and I feel like it sets this house apart. The reason why I'm just not founding this crawl space is because of this drywall. The owner, she had this drywall covering the crawl space. That's not the...
I don't even believe that. I feel like y'all brought that in.
Cool thing about it. And I want y'all to check this out. So, while I was here, I found this table, and I also found this extra space right here. You have a vent right there.
I mean, that's kind of cool though. You could put like some jars or some shit down there, like a little panic room.
I think I just heard some footsteps.
You at work with somebody else.
This can't be a squatter.
It's not.
What was meant
Nah, y'all just faking that. Come on, man.
short video for his Facebook group turns into something completely nightmarish. For one, the sound of footsteps was heard on the floorboards despite no one being there, and eeriest of all, the sound of someone talking.
Bro, it just doesn't make sense that he's there alone. That alone, like, you're not getting past that. It don't make sense that he's there alone on a day where he's not working. Why? Why would you be on the work site on a day where you're supposed to be off? Like, that's, first, you're not supposed to be. Y'all contracted. That's a whole different thing than just being at a job you're not supposed to be at that time. You know, that makes a little bit more sense because I'm here on my off day type stuff. But no, you're contracted to do work here. Why are you showing up if you're not going to do work?
And giggling was heard from somewhere inside. But to make things even...
No, I'm over this one.
In the following video, a man and his girlfriend are staying over at his aunt's house when they hear a strange noise from downstairs. Mind you though, that no one else is home.
Alright, so this is like really crazy.
I don't know, I was wondering if something happened.
What that sound?
What a crazy house.
What's going on?
Now he couldn't capture the noise on camera, but there is something in this video that's worth pointing out before mentioning anything else, and that's the house itself. This Victorian home belongs to the man's aunt, who at this time was traveling abroad for a few days. While she was gone, the man, known as Isaac, and his girlfriend stayed over to look after the place and care for her dog.
aunt is overseas for the week, and she asked me and my girlfriend.
I mean, it's a good time to decide to fake a video, especially after you put up a bunch of Ring cameras.
Now, the only thing in this house that isn't antiquated are the security cameras throughout the place. Although Isaac's aunt
One's a blink and one's a ring. What the fuck?
isn't home, she still wants to keep an eye on the property. But while looking at one of the cameras late one night, she notices something very strange. She immediately sends the recording to Isaac, who was totally spooked out by what was captured.
All right, let me see it. Already not buying it. Bro, you hear that and you're gonna creep around the corner like this? No. I'm sorry, no. That makes no sense. And why do you have a Ring camera in here facing that door? Easily done. Is that it?
The noise, as it turns out, was just a draft affecting a door. But this one, according to them, doesn't appear to be affected by it, as it closes up differently. The door gently glides, as if someone was closing it quietly.
Okay, this is stupid. This one is really stupid.
Later,
Bro, night 4?
by this, they weren't as terrified as what they experienced only days later. Now, before showing this clip, it's worth noting that a common occurrence in this house.
Yeah, see, they did 1 or 2 of these videos and it did really well, and then they kept it going because it's a Victorian old type home, and you're like, oh, I would immediately think it's haunted, you know? So they ran with that shit. Come on, dude. It's never good when you have like 5 different videos of shit happening, like genuinely. Let me just skip to
Specific
whatever.
dates of the camera inside the dining room were the room around the house until recently. By checking, he could see how it keeps on doing this. So he tells his aunt to send him some recordings from specific dates of the camera inside the dining room where the broom falls over. He checks each one and doesn't notice anything weird. But when he checks again, he notices something in one video that leaves him beyond spooked. This is what he saw.
Ugh, this is gonna be stupid. I think we may have seen this one before.
Isaac and his girlfriend were completely caught off guard upon seeing this.
Nah, y'all brought your kid and you're like, let's make a fun little video.
So we found something that might explain what happened last night.
It was him, right? He reincarnated in baby form and pushed the broom over.
These tiles are of 2 children that lived here at some point. This is memorialized, yeah.
Not for sure. I mean, you could just have tiles with your kids' baby pictures on them. That doesn't mean they died.
They memorialized him.
Okay, shut up, dude. You're guessing now, and that's never fun. Because you're just gonna do all the stupid things, you know? You're just gonna jump to conclusion after conclusion after conclusion. Okay, this video's not been that great. I was expecting better, dude, because this is kind of recent.
Now, this next video was posted by a Reddit user who writes that the following video was taken back in 2020. He didn't take the video himself, but rather it was sent to him by his sister who was at a hospital for reasons unknown. While she was there, she was waiting out in the hallway where no one else seemed to be present. It was just her, alone,
Bro, have we done this one? I remember this.
in this big empty hallway, or at least that's what she thought. Because, as her family believes, she wasn't
It said I didn't watch this video. It recommended this video.
completely alone. In a video she posted to her family's group chat, something can be seen moving and peeking at the end of the hallway. Have a look.
Yes, dude, we've seen this. It had to be on another channel then. Yeah, same thing. I don't know, like, context wise. There could be somebody that works here that's creeping, or maybe thinks that you're like, you know, attractive or something and is creeping, being a weirdo, you know? It's kind of reasonable. That's called air conditioning. See, like, is nobody supposed to be here and you're just a security guard for an like a open building overnight? Like, I don't know.
After checking to see what it was that was moving, she finds nothing. Now, it's hard to say as to what exactly is being seen here, but many viewers on Reddit believe that it's something paranormal. Some can
Ugh, Reddit users believe that, then I certainly don't.
even make out a face or even a body. But then again, that could be a case of pareidolia.
That's what I'm thinking, dude. It has to be.
Face or even a body. But then again, that's
Because there was hardly anything even over there.
quite strange. From catching a lock of hair moving independently to the creepy atmosphere of the hallway, it's
I think that part's stupid. But yeah, I could see like the stuff in conjunction at a certain angle looks like there's like a head peeking out, you know? Like it's maybe like maybe this or something like that.
understandable as to why one would think that something paranormal is present. But as with all videos, I'll let you come up with your own conclusion.
Yeah, no, I'm thinking it's a pareidolia thing. That was kind of lame, dude.
Video, a young girl is playing in front of a display cabinet while her mother records her from a distance. Although
think I've
seeming
seen
like a random
this.
recording, something about this moment holds a special.
All right, show me the video.
The display cabinet that she saw her daughter talking to the urn inside. Understandably, Amanda was moved.
She starts talking to the urn. Bro, I never know what to make of these. Like, these have to be fake, right? And then you're gonna pause game me so that I have to like watch this over and over and hit pause in the right time. Like, it feels like an engagement farm.
During the time that Amanda took this video, she didn't notice anything strange. It was only after reviewing the footage that she saw it. A dark silhouette passing in front of the camera as her daughter plays in the distance. To Amanda, this supposed apparition wasn't completely unknown, as she had a feeling that this was
Nah. I just don't buy that. That wasn't that great of a video, I'm not gonna lie.